Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Hema again with an unboxing video. Today I'm gonna unbox and review the Blushboxx for the month of June. So before getting started into the video, if you're new here, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you will not miss out any of my videos. And it is absolutely free for you guys, but it means a lot to me. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks a lot for your love and support, guys. And today, as I said, let's quickly unbox and we see what we have in the Blushboxx. This is how the typical Blushboxx looks like, and I've already seen all the products. I took them out and I saw the products. This video is gonna be a little bit different because I did a first impression of few products from this, almost all the 4 or 5. Probably I did not use the hand scrub. Other than that, I tried everything and I know how it feels on the skin. So let's quickly get started into the video. So generally they will provide an info letter like this, which gives you the complete information of what you buy, and this month's theme is Beat the Heat, and the products we get is 1740 plus, and we are just paying $3.99. So let's quickly see what we have. The first product, which is the Innature Herbals face scrub. So we have been receiving face masks in Blushboxx before, but this time it's scrub, and it is apple, honey, peach, papaya, fried precious herbs they have mentioned, and I did use it, and the granules are like a little bit tiny, but it feels good on your skin. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. It looks tiny, but it does the job. So this is how it looks like, the consistency of the scrub. You can see the granules here and there, and it does foams when we put some water. So it is good, and the price of this is $175, and it is good until 2020, freshly manufactured in the month of May 2018. So the next one is this lipstick from Forever 52. So I just selected this box this month just for the lipstick, guys. I'm in love with this lipstick, and there are some shades available, and if you're booking early, you might have all the shades choices, but if the stock is out, you will get only the remaining choices. So this is how it looks on my lips, and let me show you the applicator. So this is how it looks on the applicator, and the applicator is really cool. It is so blendable. It is not like a stick. It's really soft and blendable, and it feels like creamy when you apply it immediately, but when it dries down, it's so good. It is transfer proof, I guess. I have never tested it now, but I think it's transfer proof and waterproof, so it's not gonna fade off easily if you're gonna have your lunch or dinner. So that is the second product, and the shade which I chose is LLG08. So it's basically the shade number 08. Okay, it's a mix of red and pink. Probably the outcome is red, but when I apply, I feel more like I'm applying a pink one, like a dark pink lipstick. So the next product is from Beauites multivitamin face mask, and it is unisex, I think, because both men and women can use. I'm not sure, and the price is not mentioned, but we know that Beauites is actually a luxurious brand, and it is so costly, and it smells like a medicine for me, a familiar medicine or an ointment. I'm not sure, but it is not irritating or feels like medicine, as I said, but it has a pleasant smelling. Probably I would have used some body lotion prescribed by a doctor. Probably that is the smell I'm getting. I'm not sure, but it is like a quite familiar smell to me. So this is the Beauites product, and it is a face mask. So what I did is I tried this scrub and then I tried this face mask yesterday night, and I would say it's good. My skin feels more softer than normal, and it does says it will fight for dark pigmentation as such, but as of now I have no idea, but let's see how it works in 1 or 2 use. The next one is from Chronocare, and it's their body lotion. I think this is a new range, or this have not been featured in boxes before. So this is the first time I'm getting this, and I got another variant in another box which I will quickly unbox in upcoming days. So it is the lavender variant. We all know that Chronocare is free from sulfate, mineral oil, silicone, paraben, etc. And the cost is 220, and it is good until 2019. So this is how the consistency looks like. It's like normal watery consistency, and I did apply it on my hand yesterday to see how it feels after an hour or two. It feels good. It does smoothens your skin as it claims. So that is the fourth product, and the fifth and the final product is from Plum. So if you guys remember, last month we got Plum Food Soak, and this is like a lemon hand scrub for hands, and it is $3.99, and we should use it within 6 months after opening the box. So the problem with the packaging this month is this box is leaking. We know that Plum will leak because that's how all the products of Plum reach me. Due to humidity, it will give out that oil little bit from the salt. So what they did for the last month was they did a individual bubble wrapping or like a paper wrapping on this, so the oil was inside the wrapping even though it is leaking. But this time they did a bundle bubble wrapping, not individual bubble wrapping, a bundle one. So I saw the oil like on my Forever 52 box, on the inner tube scrub, like everywhere. I felt the lemon smell everywhere, and you can also see this sheet is also has the oily residue, if you can see it. So it does leak a little bit. Probably Blushboxx can take this as a suggestion and put an individual bubble wrapping when you guys send this hand or food soap, because we know that it's obviously gonna leak some oil because of the humidity. I understand that it is not because of the packaging or as such, but because of the humidity. So they have already done that, but I have no idea what went wrong and why they did a complete bubble wrapping, which is not at all needed. All other products are looks like safer inside the box. Only this needs a protection to avoid that leaking. So being said that, this is all I got for $3.99, and I'm super happy that I got Forever 52 lipstick, and I'm so impressed with the scrub. Scrub is most interesting. It is really good. It works amazingly on my skin. I hope it's gonna suit all skin types. So that's it for today, guys, and you have to check my Instagram to know the before and after pictures of these first impression products. So please go down into this description box below and click on my Instagram link so that you can reach my Instagram and follow me over there if you're not doing yet. Okay, that's it, guys. We will meet on another day. Have a wonderful day, guys. Love you. Bye bye.